So here it is up against a 24.3 quart air fryer, and that's what it's replacing. We have a KitchenAid refrigerator. So clearly you could see the one difference right away that you see between the two is the width. It's much wider in here than this one. So you could see, let me back out so you could see the difference between the two there. So I couldn't find how many quarts the KitchenAid is, but it clearly will hold an entire chicken, whole chicken. I do like that it comes with the Stark pan because this catches grease and turns ugly. This basket is much wider than the one that comes with this one. And you got your rack, and then you got your drip pan down here. Nice LED display. So we're going to go ahead and heat something up in it and give it a try. But this is just in time for Thanksgiving to cook an extra dish in here because we just moved into this house. We only have a single oven. So out with the old, in with the new.
Hi there. So this KitchenAid oven is actually pretty cool. It opens up really nice. It's warm. It gets warm it's great on bagels. Great on bagels. And I really like it. It's simple. Yet, you know, to make bagels, you just press a button and there it is. So I recommend it. So this is Luis Escalon, and I love this KitchenAid. So hang in there and buy the damn thing if you're gonna buy. If you're gonna buy something, buy that. All right, take care.
So these are the differences in my two units with air frying. This is as loud as this unit gets because the fans don't really turn much. That's it for air frying. Versus this one, which sounds like a tornado and actually air fries.